The Access Pac Oil-Selective Emergency Spill Kit is a cost-effective spill control solution. The Oil-Selective Access Pac comes in a highly visible, color-coded package, blue for Oil-Selective and yellow for Universal. The Oil-Selective kit is packed with 15 Oil-Selective absorbent pads, 1 extra large disposal bag, 1 pair of nitrile gloves, 1 zip tie, and 3 Oil-Selective Sorb Sox. The Access Pac contains up to a 7-gallon spill, covering up to 30 square feet. Call us today for more information about the Access Pac and other Andax spill containment products. If you like this video and are new to our channel, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos.